How to overcome a breakup gracefully.
Okay. Gracefully overcoming a breakup. Okay. If you live your life in grace, gracefully, that is, there is absolutely no reason why you cannot survive a breakup also gracefully. If you notice that the way in which you are living your life is messy, the way in which you will deal with a breakup is also likely to be messy. But let's go deeper into what actually stands for grace or gracefulness in this context. The easiest way to live gracefully all the time is to completely accept yourself the way you are. It doesn't matter if, for all intents and purposes, to a generic observer, at first sight it may appear that you're boorish, for instance. It doesn't matter. Very soon, very, very quickly, people will recognize that you're living in complete acceptance and everybody finds it easy to accept you the way you are as well. Instead of calling you boorish and horrible and whatever else, they would suddenly start looking at you as, oh, that's so cute, that's so innocent, da da da, a whole lot of other positive sounding sentiments. The only difference between what is seen as innocent and what is seen as boorish is merely the acceptance of the observer. And the acceptance of the observer is a phenomenon, it's actually a function of your own acceptance of yourself. So, the moment you accept yourself completely the way you are, you will automatically be seen as graceful in all your actions. And that includes how you deal with a breakup. Accept the fact that you have broken up, accept the fact that you feel what you feel in a breakup. Everything, just whatever it is, completely be in acceptance. And grace or gracefulness, as seen by an observer, is right there.